So step one is to loosen all the screws and take off the electrical panel cover. And turn the main power off. So the PowerX is non-invasive, so no need to punch holes in anywhere inside or outside of the electrical box for antennas or anything like that. Now we're going to attach the clamps to the main power of the house. Clamp 1 goes onto the black. Clamp 2 goes onto the red. And 3 and 4 go on the solar. And with these 4 clamps, you could individually monitor each breaker. They just simply open up, and each black clamp goes on to each breaker's black wire, like so. After you connect your clamps, now you're going to connect to your power source. Once the sensor is powered, connect the main to the sensor and the 4 clamps to the sensor. And once you're done, put your panel back on. And now you use your PowerX app Terra to monitor your electricity.